Hi, my name's CJ Ekman, manager of IoT and Connected Car at Hyundai, and we're here in Asheville showing the 2023 Palisade. And the feature that I'm going to show you right now is called Hyundai Digital Key 2 Touch. And so the Palisade is the first Hyundai to support the latest generation of our digital key system, which adds the capability of iPhone support and Apple Watch support. So on this iPhone right here, let me just pull it up. I have in my Apple Wallet, I have the key to this Palisade right here. So to get into the car, you simply walk up and set the phone on the door handle and it unlocks the car. So the 2023 Palisade also has remote smart park assist, which is super convenient, especially for a family. I have an 18-month-old kid, and you'd be shocked at how full your garage gets when you add strollers and bikes and toys. And so this feature comes in handy, especially for me, and I think a lot of families will find it convenient. When all the stuff is lined up all down the side of your garage, it's really convenient to be able to just pull your car in and out of the garage without having to squeeze and dent doors and all of that. And it's all done here on the key fob. You can see the little arrow button. Pull it in, you can pull it out. So to do remote smart park assist, you first start the car. So you lock the car, start it. And then once the car is started, you have the ability to pull it into a spot or out of a spot. So in this case, we'll pull it out of this parking spot. So it uses the ultrasonic sensors to make sure that it's not going to hit anything, but you also have the ability, when you let go, the car stops instantly, and then you can pull it back in a spot, for instance, like this. You have to be within 10 feet of the car, so it uses the proximity key to dictate how far you are from the vehicle. But I'll pull it back in the spot, and when I'm back where I want it to be, I let go and the car stops instantly, and I can stop the car using the key. So to drive the car, you simply just place your phone. You don't even have to have the Apple Wallet open. And you place it on the wireless phone charger, and that allows you to start the car. Easy as that. And the convenient thing when your phone is your key is it also enables the ability to load a profile. So as you see on the screen here, the car actually has 3 different profiles. So right now we're a guest, but I can actually have my phone tell the car which driver it is. So if you, like this car is a family car, so if you share this car with like a spouse, for instance, if my wife gets in the car, she sits down, you'll see the seat change because it knows whose phone is going in the car. And sharing a key is as simple as sending a text message. To share a key in the Apple Wallet, you simply send it to an iMessage contact, which makes sharing keys really simple. You just hit this 3 dot right here, invite. You can set access such as unlock and drive or unlock only. So if you say you had a kid that's not old enough to drive, you could say, okay, I only want my kid to have access to grab their baseball stuff from the trunk. And then when you invite them, as you can see, it's just in a text message. So you share it using iMessage, and then because the car is connected and obviously your phone's always connected, you can revoke a key at any time too if you're the primary driver. It also has our latest generation of BlueLink, which adds most notably some enhancements to the remote start function. It adds the ability to be able to start the car and set the temperature, obviously, which we've had for some time. But on the 2023 Palisade, it also adds the ability to turn on the heated seats and ventilated seats, and you can set each seat individually. So if you want to turn on the heated seats in the back and the ventilated seats in the front, you can do all of that in the mobile app. And you also have the ability to check vehicle status, so you can see things such as the window status, if the hood is open, the climate, if it's on or off, if the defroster is on and off. There's actually even a more detailed list here with fuel level, climate, smart key battery. So a lot of really interesting things you can see in vehicle status. It also has our latest version of rear seat occupancy alert. So there's ultrasonic sensors on the headliner, which you can see behind me. And so if for some reason you forget to leave your kid in the back seat or a pet, for instance, the sensor can actually detect even slight movements such as breathing or any movement. And if you leave someone in the back seat, not only will the car alarm go off, so there's an audible alarm on the outside of the car that goes off to notify you if you're close by the car, It also, because it's connected to BlueLink, it'll start sending you push notifications to your phone, alerts basically saying, hey, you need to go back to your car. There's movement detected in the rear of your car, and it works in both the second row as well as the third row. The 2023 Palisade is the first Hyundai vehicle to support Wi-Fi hotspot. It's powered by Verizon, and it utilizes the BlueLink connection in the car. So when you purchase the vehicle, you get a free trial to use Wi-Fi hotspot. You can connect up to 5 devices, so your passengers can use their iPads, their Nintendo Switch to stream whatever content they want. And it's all set up here in the head unit. If you go to the Wi-Fi hotspot section, you can enable it just by checking that box. You can set your own ID for what the network is called, your own password. And what's also interesting and convenient is you can set your frequency bands. So if you have it at 5 gigahertz, it won't have as wide of a availability. So if you're camping, you might want to set it to 2.4 gigahertz because it'll give you a larger area that the Wi-Fi is working, but maybe at slower speeds. But if you're just driving and everyone's inside the car using the hotspot, you can use 5 gigahertz and connect up to the 5 devices, which is really convenient for a family car like this. Yeah, so with all these new technologies between the latest generation of BlueLink, Digital Key 2, and Wi-Fi hotspot, the Palisade is really a family SUV packed full of technology, and so we're really excited to make it available in the market. Yeah, so now we're going to take a quick drive in the Palisade and take it for a spin.